welcome to a regular broadcast of the NOVA Airmada's channel into the histories of one 400 scale model aircraft. Today we cover the lifetime career of the Hawaiian Airlines 717-22A wearing the 2001 Pualani Livery. This aircraft is powered by two Rolls Royce BR715 series twin-shaft turbofans, with each engine able to generate up to 18,920 horsepower or 84 kilonewtons. Each aircraft can carry up to 134 passengers, but this is generally limited to 117 for a one-class configuration. This aircraft has a standard cruise speed of 444 knots or 822 kilometers an hour, with a range around 1,400 nautical miles or 2,600 kilometers with a standard payload. Originally, this 717-200 was first delivered to Hawaiian Airlines on April 30th of 2001. As can be seen in this picture, this aircraft is sitting next to the 717 prototype aircraft, making it one of the first off the Boeing Assembly line in Long Beach, California. This aircraft was painted in the 2001 Pualani Livery, which marked a change that was occurring fleet-wide for Hawaiian Airlines at the time. The aircraft was named Amakihi, which is a local Hawaiian bird species, and received its so far only registration of November 477HA prior to delivery. Due to the long distance between the California coast and the state of Hawaii, this and its sibling 717 aircraft were fitted with internal ferry tanks to make the trip. In 2017, the aircraft received the updated Pualani livery that places a subdued lei across the fuselage and provides greater detail on the flowers on the rear of the fuselage. As of April 2023, this aircraft is still being used in internal statewide flights across the Hawaiian island chain. Now is a video showing the 1/400 scale dragwings version of this aircraft released in 2001 and 2002. This model shows the aircraft wearing the 2001 Pualani livery design. As of 2023, the dragwings version of this aircraft in 1/400 scale is the only one that has been produced for this specific aircraft. However, other companies, especially Gemini Jets, have produced many of this aircraft's siblings in every scale from 1/100 scale down to 1/600 scale. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit those like buttons and tell your friends and family about us. We hope you've enjoyed this video as much as we've had making it. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you like my videos helps me get more views, and more views brings in more subscribers. This in turn generates a wider distribution around YouTube, which repeats the process. Thank you, and good day.